And today, special thanks to our friends at this company who are nice enough to send us this dry erase board. I love dry erase boards. This one comes with everything you need. So you got some markers here, dry erase markers in a couple different colors. You got this little magnetic bit here to hold said colors and eraser. There's your eraser. You've got your instructions telling you how to mount it. It should just mount directly to like your refrigerator, as long as your refrigerator is magnetic. And if not, you've got these. You can peel off the sticky side, fix them to the back, mount the calendar anywhere. This is the actual, oh, there's two in here. Nice. Very cool. So these are all the little magnet pieces. So you do have more of these. Nice. These are just little caps. Nothing else in the box. So this one you could free ride on. So, you could ride whatever you needed on this one. This one with this little protective film on it. But you can see you have all the months up here, the days. You can write in exactly what day is what, and write in whatever you may need to do that day. So that should do it for this magnetic dry erase calendar board. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next unboxing. Deuces.